Yosh Romandes, and I received a package from Japan. So let's do an unboxing. Alright, give me a drum roll. Okay. This is every weeb's, every otaku's dream come true. Dun dun dun! This is my official Akatsuki cloak. Yeah. Whew. Oh, watashi wa weeb desu. Yo, first of all, I have my leaf headband. Woo! Then I have my ring. You see my ring, Akatsuki ring. Subarashi. This is actually extra large. As you can see, there is a lot of room. I would personally prefer it a little bit smaller, like my size, something like this, but it's fine. Height, it reaches me just below my knees. You can see, just below my knees, just here. It's not bad, not bad. And we got a ring with it, a Akatsuki ring. There's a chain, as you can see. So if you'd like to do cosplay, this would be pretty cool. You could fold the color, I think. But I don't like it like that. Or leave it like this, I don't know. For me personally, I like to do it like this. Because it gives you a mysterious side, hides your face, and I just find it super cool. Konnichiwa! I actually forgot something. Yes, I totally like the outfit. It is super cool. However, I chose the bigger size because of the length. I'm a little bit tall, and I would rather have the garment below my knee rather than above it. Hence, I chose the biggest size, which obviously comes with the biggest measurement. Jiraiya-san, Kakashi-san, Osashi buru desu ne. Okyubi doko wa desu ka? Hari hari. Watashi wa kami desu. The world shall know the meaning of pain. Shimura Tensai. Secret art, like no jutsu. Hado, sofukurai no jutsu. Katon, shear no jutsu. Water style, water wall. Leave a comment, no jutsu. Almighty.